Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon's automatic targeting. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to walk you through how to use Amazon's automatic targeting for your sponsored products campaigns. Automatic targeting is a powerful tool that can help you maximize your ad reach with minimal effort. To get started, navigate to the Amazon Advertising Console and click on Create Campaign. Select Sponsored Products, as automatic targeting is only available for this ad type. After selecting Sponsored Products, you'll need to fill in some basic details for your campaign, such as the campaign name, portfolio, and start and end dates. Next, set your daily budget, which is the amount you're willing to spend each day on this campaign. Now create an ad group and choose the products you want to advertise. Under the targeting section, you'll see two options: automatic targeting and manual targeting. Select automatic targeting. With automatic targeting, Amazon will match your ads to relevant search terms and products based on your product information. You don't need to provide keywords or product targets. However, you can refine your targeting by adjusting the default bid or setting bids by targeting group. This allows you to control how much you're willing to pay for each click. You can also add negative keywords and negative product targets to prevent your ads from showing for specific search terms or products. This can help improve the efficiency of your campaign by excluding irrelevant or low-converting traffic. For bidding strategy, you have three options: dynamic bids, up and down, dynamic bids, down only, and fixed bids. Dynamic bids allow Amazon to adjust your bids in real time based on the likelihood of a conversion. For automatic targeting, dynamic bids, up and down, is often recommended as it can help maximize your chances of a sale. Finally, review your campaign settings and click on Launch Campaign to start your automatic targeting campaign. Using Amazon's automatic targeting can simplify your advertising efforts and help you reach a broader audience with less manual input. Keep an eye on your campaign performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize your results. Implement these tips to effectively use Amazon's automatic targeting and boost your ad performance. Happy selling! If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.